This is CodeCombat. I'm working on Computer Science 2, the Python version of the course. Let's see what this level is. Goals. Gather all the gems. Get to the exit. Okay. Code can be changed. One's destiny is not defined merely by the sample of code provided. Hero.moveXY 2643. Danger ahead. Erase the coordinates and move towards the gems instead. Oh, okay. So the coordinates are these XY numbers. So let's see what happens. They said disaster. Uh-oh. Oh, those are not good. Oh, Alejandro will miss you. All right. So we don't want these coordinates, right? This 2643 is somewhere over here, and we can know because we'll hover the mouse over. We want the gems. So let's make that one. What's this gem? If you hover the mouse over, remember there's an XY graph behind the game board. So 0, 0 is going to be way down here. X increases as you go towards the right? So X is 77 there. And Y increases as I go up. But again, this is like 1136. Let's try that. And then what is this one? Let's make the next one 3525 maybe? And then this is going to be 4056 maybe. Remember, X comes first, right? So the first one is X, the second one is Y. And then finally, what do we got here? Come on. 7658 maybe? We'll try those out and see if I messed anything up. Let's hit run and see. Oh, awesome. It looks like we were successful. So this is the code that worked for me. Great, let's keep going.